Now, cool down. Are you ready? Let's stretch. Go up. Diagonal, stretch your dorsal. Stay there. Go down. Extend both legs. Stretch your lower back. Go back. Yes. Grab your elbow. 1, 2, 3, shoulder. And now, heel up. Come on. Come forward. Touch 3 times. Mambo to the front. Come back. Touch your torso. Mambo again. 3 back taps with heart. And turn. Very easy. Turn. One more time. Come forward. 2. Point 3 times. Mambo. Come back. Touch. Mambo. Give me 3. And turn. Again. And be ready to stretch to the other side. Let's go. Slowly relax. Go to diagonal with the arm. Open your chest. Go down. Five, 6, 7 to the front. Grab your elbow. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, shoulder. Heel up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. From the top. Walk. Point 3 times. Mambo. Come back. Touch your torso 3 times. Mambo. Give me 3 with heart. Turn. Very easy. Repeat from the top. Come on. Yes. Come back. Mambo. Give me 3. Turn. And now be ready to move your shoulders and stretch your shoulders. 6. Go up. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. Last time. To the side. Down and up. Dynamic stretch. Very good. Again. Last time. To the center. The other side. Yes. 2 more times. Last time. Come back. From the top. Come on. Point. Mambo. Come back. Touch your torso. Mambo. Give me 3. Heart. And turn. All together from the top. Come on. You got it. Enjoy the music. Mambo. 3. Turn. Are you ready for the last one? Yes, I think you're ready. Come on. Point. This is Ritmix 74. Mambo. Woo! Last time. And be ready for the final pose. Point.